Hello everyone, myself Raghu S, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysuru. So we are discussing Module 5, that is Lathe, Milling Machines and Advanced Manufacturing System. In this session we will discuss CNC machines. So before discussing about CNC machines, first let us discuss the methods of controlling of machine tools. Okay, here we have two methods of controlling of machine tools: manual controlling of machine tools and automatic controlling of machine tools. So okay, here as you are seeing in the diagram, so the diagram shows manual controlling of machine tool. In manual controlling, so an operator controls the machine tool. So manual controlling involves controlling of machine tools through an operator. Operator controls all the operations along with cutting conditions like cutting speed, feed and depth of cut. So we have certain limitations in manual controlling. So in manual controlling, so it is difficult to produce complex shaped products and it takes very long time to produce components. And also manual controlling influences accuracy and surface finish of components. So these are all certain limitations in manual controlling. So second one, automatic controlling of machine tools. So automatic controlling involves controlling of machine tools without direct human intervention or support. So example for automatic controlling NC machines, so numerical controlling and so computer numerical controlling, so are example for automatic controlling of machine tools. Now let us discuss the NC and CNC machines. So first one, numerical controlling. So let us discuss some basic components in numerical controlling. Okay, here the figure shows the block diagram of numerical controlling. Okay, here we have part program, machine control unit and machine tools. So these are all the basic components of numerical controlling of machine tools. The first one, part program. So part program, it is also called as program of instruction. So it is written in coded form. It is written by a person who is familiar with coded instruction. He is called as part programmer. So part program, it contains all the information required to produce components. So part program, so which consists of step-by-step commands which tells the machine tool what to be done and in what sequence. So this is about part program. So part program, it is also called as program of instruction. It is written in coded form. So it is written by part programmer who is familiar with coded instruction. So the next one, part program, it contains all the necessary information required to produce component. So it consists of step-by-step command which tells the machine tool what to be done and in what sequence. Next, machine control unit is the important component of the NC system. So okay, here it forms the link between part program and machine tool. So machine control unit function, okay, here the machine control unit, it is made up of electronic component. The function of machine control unit is, so it reads the part program and interprets, then converts the part program into mechanical actions of machine tool. So this is the function of machine control unit. Thus MCO, it forms the important link between part program and machine tool. So machine control unit, it is an important component in NC machine. It is made up of electronic component. So it reads the part program, interprets and converts the part program into mechanical actions of machine tool. Thus it forms the important link between part program and machine tool. The next one, machine tool. So machine tool, it performs some operations on workpiece. So the functions of machine tool. So it converts raw material into finished product by performing various operations on workpiece. So here it consists of work table, cutting tools, spindles and some auxiliary equipments and cutting fluid supply system. So these are all the parts of NC machines. So next we will move on to CNC. So computer numerical controlling of machine tool. Okay, here we are going to use a dedicated computer, but here in case of NC machines we are not using any computer. Next, let us discuss the components of CNC machines. as you are seeing in the diagram, okay, here, so these are all the components of CNC machines. Okay, here it consists of input device, part program, machine control unit, driving system, machine tool, and feedback device. Now let us discuss one by one. Input device. Okay, here input device, it is used to input the part program into machine. So machine, CNC machine, it is used to input the part program into CNC machine. So okay, here, so we are using a small keyboard. We are using a small keyboard in order to input the part program into CNC machines. The next one, part program. So already we have discussed. So part program means what? Program of instruction. So it is written in coded form. It is written by part programmer. So it consists of step-by-step command which tells the machine tool what to be done in what sequence. So next one, we have an important component, machine control unit. So machine control unit is the heart of the CNC machine. It is made up of electronic component. Okay, next one, the functions of machine control unit. So it reads the part program. Next, it decodes the part program into machine level language. Next one, it sends the motion data to driving system. Then it receives the feedback signal from the feedback system. The next one, driving system. So driving system consists of several motors like stepper motor, linear motor, so and servo motor. So the driving system receives the motion data from MCU. Then the driving system controls the machine tool, controls the motions of machine tool. So as per the signal received from the machine control unit. So the next component is machine tool. So the machine tool performs various operations on workpiece. Okay, here it converts the raw material to finished product by performing various operations. So it consists of work table, cutting tools, work holding device, tool holding devices, and auxiliary equipments and cutting fluid supply system. The next systems. Okay, here feedback system consists of position and speed sensor. The position and speed sensor measures the position and speed of work table and sends the feedback signal to MCU. In MCU, comparison is made with reference signal, and if there are any errors, then a proper signal is sent to machine tool. So for the right operation to be happened. Next one, display unit. Okay, here a monitor is used to display the part program and other useful informations. So these are all the components of CNC machine. So we have input device, part program, machine control unit, driving system, then feedback system, then machine tool. So these are all the basic components of CNC machines. So next we will discuss the control system used in CNC machines. Okay, here we are using two types of control systems, open loop control system and closed loop control system. Now figure shows open loop system. So this system does not use any feedback signal, and hence in this system it is difficult to monitor the table position. Okay, here as you are seeing in the diagram, the open loop system uses stepping motor. The stepping motor, so it is driven by pulses which are sent by MCU. Then the stepping motor which drives the lead screw, so which turns or drives the table. As in this system we are not at all using any feedback signal, therefore it is difficult to monitor the table position, and hence inaccuracy may take place in this system. The figure shows a closed loop system. This system uses a feedback signal, and hence in this system it is possible to monitor the table position. Okay, here this system uses the DC servo motor and the sensors and comparator. Okay, here the sensor which measures the position of work table and sends to the comparator. In the comparator, comparison is made between input signal and feedback signal. If there is any error, then a signal is sent to DC motor, so which controls the position of work table. Since in this system, so we are using feedback signal, therefore it is possible to monitor the table position, and hence okay, here in this system accurate machining takes place. So these are all about the control systems used in CNC machines. So next we'll discuss some advantages, disadvantages and applications of CNC machines. So the advantages of CNC machines are, the first one, complex parts can be easily produced, high production rate, so reduced scrap, and so reduced human error, and power. The CNC machine, it can be used for 24 hours and 365 days. So these are all some advantages of CNC machines. So complex part can be easily produced, high production rate, reduced scrap, so reduced human error and power. Then the CNC machine, it can be used for 24 hours and 365 days. Next, let us discuss some disadvantages of CNC machines. Okay, here the cost of CNC machine is very high. First, next, high maintenance cost, high tooling cost. Next one, so it needs an conditional environment, so air conditioned environment. It requires a skilled programmer. So these are all some disadvantages of CNC machines. Then applications. So CNC machines are used in aircraft industries, so machining industries, manufacturing industries, automotive industries. CNC machines are used when complex parts to be produced. Next, when parts requires high accuracy and precision. So next, when parts are too small or too big. Next, when parts needed in a hurry. So under these conditions, we can use CNC machines. Next one, so example for CNC machines like CNC lathe, CNC milling, CNC drilling machines, then CNC welding, CNC water jet machine, and CNC electrical discharge machining. So these are all some applications of CNC machine. Let us discuss some difference between NC and CNC machine, as the table shows the difference between NC and CNC. So NC stands for numerical controlling and CNC stands for computer numerical controlling. In case of NC, part program cannot be edited, but in case of CNC, part program can be edited. So in case of NC machines, we have less storage capacity. So but in case of CNC machines, we have high storage capacity. And in case of NC machines, okay, here we are using hardwired controller. In case of CNC machines, we are using micro or mini computer. Okay, here in case of NC machine, part program is entered into the computer, so part program is entered into the machine using punched tape. In case of CNC machine, part program is entered by using alphanumerical keyboard. So the cost of NC machine is less, so comparatively less, and the cost of CNC machine is very high. Thank you.